Hello dosto, I'm Abdul with you with a new video. In this video, we will discuss about gradient of scalar field or function and its geometrical interpretation. Let's start the video. We will discuss the first part, gradient of scalar field or function. If phi of x, y, z be a scalar function or field, then I cap d phi by dx plus j cap d phi by dy plus k cap d phi by dz is called the gradient of scalar field or function phi, and it is denoted by grad phi. Now the question is how to find grad phi. So we have to go in a process in which we'll find grad phi. From the definition, thus grad phi equal to I cap d phi by dx plus j cap d phi by dy plus k cap d phi by dz. Get I cap d by dx plus j cap d by dy plus k cap d by dz phi. Phi is taken common from this term. Therefore, grad phi equal to del or nebula phi, where del or nebula equal to I cap d by dx plus j cap d by dy plus k cap dy dz, where phi of x, y, z equal to scalar field or function. Let's solve an example to better understand that how to find grad or gradient of scalar field. The example is, if phi of x equal to thrice x square y minus y cube z square, find grad phi at the point 1 minus 2 minus 1. Here phi equal to thrice x square y minus y cube z square. We know that grad phi equal to del or nebula phi. We know that nebula equal to I cap dy dx plus j cap dy dy plus k cap dy dz into phi. So putting the value of phi here, we get I cap dy dx plus j cap dy dy plus k cap dy dz thrice into thrice x square y minus y cube z square, and multiplying this term with each of this term, we get I cap dy dx into thrice x square y minus y cube z square plus j cap dy dy thrice x square y minus y cube z square plus k cap dy dz thrice x square y minus y cube z square. Now we have to differentiate this term with respect to x. So there is two term. At first we will take this term and will differentiate this with respect to x. So I is common here, and in this term y we have to take as a constant. So thrice y will come out. and we have to differentiate x square. So the differentiation of x square is twice x minus minus I cap d by dx y cube z square. Here this two term is constant. So the differentiation of constant is 0. So the value is comes out as a 0 plus j cap d by dy will differentiate this first term. So here we have to differentiate this term with respect to y. So here x square will be constant. 3 also is constant. So this term will come out. And differentiation of y is 1. So the rest value will be thrice x square minus j cap. J cap we have taken as a common dy dy y cube z square. Here we have to differentiate with respect to y. We have to keep in mind that in which respect we are going to differentiate. So here is why we are going to differentiate this term with respect to y. So z is constant, is not it? The z is constant, so z will come outside and we have to differentiate y cube. So the differentiation of y cube is thrice x y square, because we know the formula that uh, d by dx x to the power n equal to n x to the power n minus 1. The differentiation of y cube is thrice y square and the z is constant plus k cap d by dz. We are going to differentiate this term with respect to what? Z. With respect to z. So we have to keep in mind that in this term there is no z. So we have to take x and y as a constant, and we know that the differentiation of constant is 0. So we have not put that 0, we have done directly. So the differentiation of minus y cube z square, here y cube is constant and we have to do differentiate with respect to z. So the differentiation of z square is twice z. So the whole term became minus twice y cube z. And as a result, which is equal to I cap 6xy, 2 into 3, 6x into y, 6xy plus j cap thrice x square minus thrice y square z square plus k cap minus twice y cube z. Therefore the grade phi at the point 1 minus 2 minus 1 equal to I cap 6. The value of x is 1. The value of x is 1. So 6 into 1 into the value of y is minus 2 here into minus 2 plus j cap. 3. The putting the value of x square, x, that is 1 square, 1 square is 1, so 3 into 1 is 3, minus 3 into putting the value of y means minus 2, minus 2 square is 4, and z square, that is minus 1 square is 1, plus k cap minus 2, putting the value of y minus 2 cube into minus 1. So minus 2 cube is equal to minus 8. So minus 8 into minus 2 is equal to 16 into minus 1, that is minus 16. Therefore, it is equal to minus 12 I cap minus 9 j cap minus 16 k cap. And its geometrical interpretation is given as a PDF in description. So go to the description and download it.